Hairdryer brush are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best hairdryer brush from trustworthy brands to assist you in marking a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. This is not a review of a product. This is a reminder for the wedding of my dreams. The Revlon one-step hairdryer and Volumizer and I are getting married, and I couldn't give a damn what the town clerk thinks. This entire romance started when Kate McCarthy, reviewed social media manager, told me about a magical brush that simultaneously dries and styles your hair to perfection. I was fascinated but didn't immediately make plans to try it out, kind of like someone who is single and weary of getting set up on pointless blind dates. Then the Revlon dryer started receiving rave reviews on the internet, and I was forced to take notice. I had a dinner reservation with friends following our first date, which was on a Saturday. After that initial in-person meeting, I was ready to either sling smack or declare my infatuation. It was love, as you now understand. The personification of the hairdryer is finally finished. The Revlon one-step hairdryer and Volumizer employs nylon pins and tufted bristles to grab the hair while the hot air flow dries and smooths it. Let's talk about why this equipment is magical and how it cut my hair styling routine in half. Number 2. You don't need to pull out the hairdryer, round brush, and flat iron to achieve a salon-quality blowout at home since, as its name implies, this Revlon product is made to be a one-and-done option for hairstyle. Each and every one of the one-steps according to Revlon, design is planned and has a purpose. The manufacturer claims that the dryer assists in detangling locks while you use it by using nylon pins and tufted bristles. Additionally, it asserts that its ionic technology conditions, smooths, adds shine, and eliminates static and frizz. These are lofty statements, and after reading them, I had high expectations for my blowout, which would have been difficult to achieve without visiting a salon. There always seems to be a sacrifice to be made. For example, getting your locks from a professional takes longer than giving yourself a spectacular blowout at home. Water to dry quickly, but give up the voluminous yet smooth style you desired. But this dryer is a unicorn, and the 200,000 Amazon reviews and 4.6-star rating are a fantastic confirmation of that.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.